Alright, so I know. I don't know how the lighting is in here. It's still, today's Tuesday. It's still Tuesday. I put on the face mask, the Tatcha face mask. You're supposed to leave it on for 15 minutes. I don't know, I feel like I applied it enough. I applied it more so in the areas that I wanted to penetrate. And then I didn't really want to apply it all over my nostrils. This is a day one. I'm pretty sure there's a dupe out there somewhere. I have to leave it on for 15 minutes and I've had it on for 4 minutes so far. Okay, so what's up guys, it's Tari and you're doing a get ready with me. This is kind of awkward, to be honest. This feels like back when I was doing tutorials. I know, kind of fast paced. I have a bridal shower today to go to. And after the bridal shower, I gotta go to a band launch. And for some reason, I didn't think these two events were on the same day. I only checked the dates, obviously like yesterday. So I'm heading out. I'm late, as you can see. So I double booked myself for 2 different events, and this is what I'm wearing. Okay. And then I'm just gonna wear sneakers. In Caravana or in any type of carnival, they would do a band launch and a lineup of all the bands and the costumes that every band is gonna have. So this is what it is. This is my makeup. I did get a ring light, as you guys can see. I don't know if this okay. The bridal shower starts at 6 o'clock. I'm trying to be there for 6:30 latest. It's now 5:45, so I have stockings on because it is not warm in Toronto. And now I'm just thinking about my jacket, so I have 3 different options. I got this one, which is just a leather jacket. I have this one I could wear, and I would wear this one with like a sweater underneath, but I don't know how I feel about this one. I also have this one. I also have this one. I don't know about this one either. I have a light gray one like this, which I think I might wear. I'm just gonna wear my black one, which you guys have seen numerous amount of times already. And there's this one, and you buckle it up and you go like this. So I think I might as well wear this one with a scarf. This is what it is. I'm gonna apply my lipstick right now. And the lipstick I'm wearing is by NYX. I don't know what it's called, but I will annotate it in the screen. And it is dirty. I'm such a mess. Oh, this is really creamy. Wow. This is really, really creamy. Wow. This is creamy. The lip liner I'm wearing is by LA Girl and it's called Toast. I'm coming! And then to top it off for a gloss, I'm using this NYX lip gloss, and this is their Chaos. I believe the collection's Chaos. It's called Nighttime. It's called Moonbeam. And I'm using this just over it. Just to give my lips some dimension. And that is pretty much it. And I'm out. Still at the bridal shower. It is like 9-ish o'clock. It's such a beautiful event. The area, the location that she's having her bridal shower at is absolutely beautiful. The food is great, the games are great, the bride looks beautiful, and you know, what can I say, but just say hello. Give you guys another snippet of what I'm wearing. This is what we got going on. This is what we got going on in the bathroom. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna go take pictures with the bride right now, so just trying to say hello to you guys.